So on Smart Dashboard, you want to start FRC driver station. That will automatically open up Shuffleboard, which is this, and driver station, which is here. This is what you have to have in order to enable and control the robot. You will see that over here there's a lot of different things that you can put on this, and this can be quite confusing with all the values. But in here it's just values on different systems and whatnot. But one of the important ones that we need for is field. So you can drag out field to here, and that's what you're seeing is it draws this nice field. It shows where the robot thinks it's at, and I added in something so it shows the trajectory for autonomous paths. So right now you'll see drive to bottom is wherever the robot is, and it drives here. Bottom to center notes, so I'll drive there, I'll drive over here and pick that up and come back, shoot. Now I can shorten this up and say I only want you to do 3. So it'll go to this path, then I'll drive over, I'll drive back and shoot, and then it'll start that over because it only goes up to 3. Now the Auton won't start over, it's just for the preview. You can do the same thing. Keep it 20 if you want it to run the whole thing. Squeeze through top center notes. When you change it, sometimes it's most of the time it's gonna be off because when you change it, it takes a second for it to change the pose. Unless you can see now that this is right. But it'll take a second unless Photon Vision is updating the pose. So you can see that it's the full paths in between points. It should just reduce the confusion. So when you're actually connected to FMS, this goes away. But if you're trying to run a systems test, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're in teleoperated, and you just want to click enable. And when you click enable, it's going to go ahead and you're going to be able to drive. You're going to be able to intake a note. So when you run all that, you want to make sure to do a full systems test and test everything. Maybe you don't test climber, but just make sure you can intake a note. The turret picks it up and you can shoot it out. All of those things are good to test.